Holiten, wati uri kustruggle mental health issues. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Anotiye chero akataura. Vamwe vanogona kusamunzwisisa votofunga kuti ari kuda kuendeswa kurehab. Anyora iye akati one day you try to genuinely vent and they will say you need rehab. Even your own people, zviriko. I will do my best and just write another song. But yeah, pari kundipisira. So ari kuti iye paari kupisa asi problem iripo ndeyekuti akaita vent out whatever zviri mumwoyo make anogona kungonzi mukomana akuda kuendeswa kurehab. Chinorwadza ndechekuti even the people around you, even your wife chaiye anogona kusanzwisisa kuti what are your real problems, obva otokudanira vana mutarisika kundovakomana vacho vanoendesa vamwe kurehab. So there are a lot of issues that were discussed papeji raHolly vari kuti it seems like Holiten's personal life might be fueling his creative fire lately after releasing 2 projects in quick succession. Those close to him, including his family and friends, believe he might benefit from some time in rehab to address the challenges he has been facing. But the Zimbabwean rapper, known for pouring his heart and soul into his music, appears to have other plans. Rather than slowing down, he seems eager to channel his emotions and experiences into a new song. Perhaps he sees his art as a form of catharsis, a way to process and share his struggles with the world. So while those around him might think rehab is the answer, Holiten seems set on continuing to use his music as a means of self-expression and connection with his fans. As the leader of youth and the speaker of the streets, his ability to take complex themes with honesty and flair remains a powerful force in Zimbabwean hip-hop. Hey, pari kutaurwa mashoko akawanda changova chirungu kanhandi, asi nyaya iripo ndeyekuti mukomana ari kunida rehab according to those people that are very close to him. But iye ari kuti rehab haina basa rese, iye achataura zviri pamwoyo pake through his music, because no one gets to sit down vanzo kuti iye speaker of truth and speaker of the truth achati chiimikani ichiko speaker of the streets and the speaker of youth. Zvinhu zvacho. A closer look at Holiten's life inoratidza kuti mukomana has been open about his struggles with mental health, which he has addressed in his music. My personal relationship ake, Holiten has been involved in public feuds with fellow artists including Volts na Enzo. Pamwe chete naMags vakatomboita fallout again. Then social injustice. Holiten has been vocal about social injustice, including corruption and political issues in Zimbabwe, which he has addressed in his music. Apa papoint ini hangu ndinoda kuidisputa kuti research yemunyori haisi kufamba zvakanaka. Iye mukomana anogoti political injustice sei zvakare, corruption yeti zvakare. Handiti ndiye here speaker of truth and speaker of the youth? Ndiye mukomana ari kudrive Range Rover. Saka politics dzari kutaura kuti mapolitical issues neinjustice zviri kubva nepapi, nekuti after all he is the beneficiary semukuru wedu kaisu samayouth tiri kuti ndiye beneficiary wemapolitical uyu wacho iwayo. Regai ndiisiye ipo pano. Alright, so family. Holiten has been open about his family life, including his parents and his children, and has addressed the challenges of balancing his career and family life in music. Pamwe chete tisakanga mwaka kuti akamitisa musikana anonzi Chelsea Tariro nekuti haasi kuchengeta mwana. Ndezvimwe zvinofanira kutaurwa nezvazvo. Nekuti kuita celebrity usingachengeti mwana wako, vanhu mablog achigara ari paissue yako, uye nekuti iye Chelsea wacho munhu anofarira attention, zvinobva zvaita kuti chero marriage yako isanakidze. Ndozviri kutaurwa naHoliten apa kuti there is a lot of pressure that is in his family life. Saka kwacho kwaanofanira kuenda kunovanda kune zveko, even if they actually show off as a very happy couple. Pane zvakawanda zvinoitika kubackground, especially kana munhu achinge akamitisa kunze. So it is very difficult to vent sezviri kungotaurwa apa. The only time he can get to talk about this is through his music. Then career pressure. Holy 10 has been open about the pressure to constantly produce new music and maintain his position in Zimbabwean hip hop, which he has addressed in his music. So ndo zviri kutaurwa naHolly izvi kuti pressure yacho iri kuuya kumaangles ese pakaipa. So ndo zvatiinazvo izvi kuti mukomana ari kustruggle nemental health. The only place that people are suggesting is just go to rehab or get treatment instead yekuti one day tinozouya pano takunzi mukomana wamwa mushonga kana kuti wapindana nemadrugs. Pamba pacho unotoona kuti mukomana ari bitter because panongoreleasa Winky music anobva atanga kunetsana nemagreatest of all time. Ndo paunoona kuti patori neproblem nemafallouts aanoita nemaartist aanenge asaina nawo. You can actually see kuti mukomana uyu ane dambudziko zvachose. Please do leave your comments on what you think. Do you think Holy 10 needs help kana kuti tiri kungotaurawo?